Hi students, welcome to the video lecture 4 on the topic fluid dynamics. The today's class will solve some more problems on this Bernoulli's equation of motion on the real fluids. So in the previous class we have solved the problems on the ideal fluids. We'll solve some problems on the real fluids. So let me first read the problem. A conical tube of length 2 meter is fixed vertically with its smaller end upwards. The velocity of flow at the smaller end is 5 meters per second, and while at the lower end is 2 meters per second. The pressure head at the smaller end is 2.5 meter of liquid, whereas loss of head in the tube is 0.35 in the bracket V1 minus V2 whole bracket square divided by 2g, where V1 is the velocity at the smaller end and V2 is the velocity at the lower end respectively. Determine the pressure head at the lower end. Flow takes place in the downward direction. So flow is taking place in the downward direction. So with this data, I have drawn the sketch here. A conical tube. This is a conical tube of length 2 meter. A conical tube of length 2 meter is smaller and upwards. Already he has told. It is fixed vertically. Vertically means in the straight line. It is not any inclined or it is fixed vertically. Conical tube of length 2 meter is fixed vertically with its smaller end upwards. If this end is upwards means then this end upper end will be at the downwards only. The velocity of flow at the smaller end that is he has given v1 because flow is taking place in this direction only. Then this, let us consider this as section 1 and I will consider this as section 2. So velocity at the smaller end is 5 meters per second already as given here, and the velocity at the lower end v2 is 2 meters per second is already given in the problem, and the pressure head at the smaller end, that is P1 divided by rho g, it is given 2.5 meter of liquid. Whereas loss of head in the tube, where HL is the loss of head between sections 1 and 2, this HL loss of head in the tube only he has given in terms of equation, that is 0.35 in the bracket V1 minus V2 whole bracket square divided by 2g. So already it is V1 value also he has given, V2 value also he has given. I have calculated this loss of head, that is HL is 0.35 in the bracket 5 minus 2 whole bracket square divided by 2 into 9.81. G is 9.81. So my value is HL is 0.16 meter. So in the problem he has asked us to calculate the pressure head at the lower end. That means P2 upon rho G. We should calculate the value of P2 upon rho G. So already this value we have calculated HL. So now applying the Bernoulli's equation for section 1 as well as for section 2. So here HL is missing. So here plus HL, that is head loss. So P1 upon rho G is 2.5 meter of liquid, already it is given in the problem. V1 is 5 meter square, already it is given, divided by 2 into 9.81. Z1 is 2. P2 upon rho G only has asked us to calculate. We have kept as it is. V2, that is velocity, is 2 meters per second. 2 square divided by 2 into 9.81. Plus Z2 is 0 because it is held vertically, and section 2 only we have taken it as the datum line. Z2 is 0, and where HL plus HL here, HL is missing here, plus HL. So I will write here HL. So here HL is missing. We'll write here plus HL. This HL only. I will substitute here the value of HL as 0.16. So 2.5, we have substituted all the values. If I will simplify this is 2.5. If I simplify this will be 1.272. I have kept as it is. P2 upon rho G we have kept as it is. If I will simplify this term, I am going to get 0.203 plus 0.16 as it is. If we will add both these, I am going to get here 0.363. If we will add all these things, so it is 5.77. So P2 upon rho G, this value minus this value, I have taken this term to this side. 5.77 minus 0.63 equals to 5.407 meter of liquid. So this is my pressure head at the lower end is 5.407 meter of liquid. So next problem we'll study. A pipeline carrying, so this problem already, a pipeline carrying oil of specific gravity 0.87 changes in diameter from 200 mm diameter at a position A to 500 mm diameter at position B, which is 4 meters at a higher level. Already as given, to 500 mm diameter at a position B, which is 4 meters at a higher level. If the pressure at A and B are 9.81 Newton per square centimeter and 5.886 Newton per square centimeter respectively, and the discharge is 200 liters per second, so he has asked us to calculate the loss of head and the direction of the flow. In which direction, whether flow is taking place from A to B direction or from B to A direction, we don't know here. So as per this problem only, we have drawn the sketch here. So 500 mm diameter at position B, which is 4 meters at a higher level. So this pipe A level he has not given. So let us assume the datum line is passing through the center line of the pipe at the lower end, that is at section A. From this end, let me draw the datum line, whereas the section at pipe B, it is at a 4 meters higher level than the datum line. So diameter at this level he has given, diameter at section B also he has given, pressure also he has given, pressure at B also he has given. So discharge is given 200 liters per second. With this I will convert this discharge into meter cube per second. So this is 0.2 meter cube per second, because 1000 liters is equals to 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube area volume means it will be a capacity of 1000 liters. Therefore for 2000 liters it will be divided by 1000, so it will 0.2 meter cube per second. So diameter at A 200 mm, diameter at B is 500 mm he has given. ZA, that is potential head, is 0 here. For ZB it is 4 meter. Pressure at section A he has given in terms of Newton per square centimeter. We have converted it in Newton per meter square. Here also pressure at B I have converted it in Newton per meter square. It is 5.886 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square. And it asks us to calculate the loss of head, that is HL. So specific gravity of the oil he has given. He has not given density of the oil. With this specific gravity, let us calculate the density of the oil. So we know the formula. Specific gravity is given by density of the fluid divided by density of the standard fluid. So standard fluid is water here. So specific gravity of oil is 0.87 is equals to density of oil divided by density of water is 1000. So therefore density of oil is equals to 0.87 into 1000. It will be 870 kg per meter cube. He has not given in the problem. Instead of density he has given specific gravity of the oil. So next let me calculate the area at section AA and area at section B. 0.0314 meter square. Area at section B is 0.1963 meter square. So discharge is given. With that easily we can calculate the velocity at section A and velocity at section B, that is Q is equals to A into V. Discharge is given by the formula area into velocity. Therefore velocity is equals to discharge divided by area. Discharge is 0.2 meter cube per second. Area of at section A means velocity at section A is 6.369. Similarly we got the velocity at section B, that is 1.018 meters per second. So now let us calculate the total energy at A. The same equation we have written, but we have calculated here separately. It is P divided by rho g. Bernoulli's equation at section A and Bernoulli's equation at section B we have calculated separately here. So PA divided by rho g, this value is given. I have substituted all the values here and my total energy at A is 13.557 meter. So total energy at B here, I have substituted all the values here of PB, pressure at section B, density into gravity, velocity at section B we have calculated here 2 into 9.81 2g plus ZB is 4 meter here given. So total energy at B is 10.948 meter. So if we compare the total energy at section A and total energy at section B, the total energy at section A is greater than the total energy at section B. That means flow is taking place from A to B. Always you know that fluid also it flows from higher pressure to the lower pressure. The fluid never flows from lower pressure to the higher pressure. Fluid always flows from high pressure end to the low pressure end. That means flow takes place from A to B. So loss of head. So already in the Bernoulli's equation I will write P divided by rho G plus V1 square divided by 2G plus Z1 equals to P2 divided by rho G plus V2 square divided by 2G plus Z2 plus HL, loss of energy. So therefore we want to calculate this head only, loss of head HL, that is given by this equation minus this equation, EA minus EB, that is energy, total energy level at A section minus total energy level at section B. EA minus EB, that is 13.557 minus 10.948. So this is my loss of head is 2.609 meter.